Kaboodle Kitchens specialise in the design, manufacture and distribution of affordable cabinetry for trade. Made from the best, Kaboodle offers internationally and locally sourced and manufactured products, so we can bring you the best in quality and the very best in value. Supported by manufacturing facilities in Yijing, China, purpose-built family-owned factories produce to exacting standards. With a kitchen factory including 9 individual manufacturing facilities, spanning across 100,000 square metres of land, we produce over 550,000 cabinets per year, with a dedicated warehousing facility further supporting our customers' needs. On local ground, investment in scale and success has seen developments in infrastructure through local purpose-built facilities. Here we cut, modify and manufacture cabinets and doors in our state-of-the-art factory, with the flexibility to assist with bespoke and customised requests via our cut-to-measure facility. And with a warehouse network of more than 42,000 square metres, sending out over 4,100 semi-trailer loads of product every year, we ensure high-level logistics meets the needs of our sophisticated manufacturing process. We provide products, services and solutions made specifically for trade, meaning we can provide design and ongoing project support to commercial projects. Customised interior solutions are also made possible for large-scale residential projects. If your joinery requirements extend past the kitchen, you can use Kaboodle's modular and customised products for any interior application. With our industry experts ready and waiting to bring your ideas to life, Kaboodle can work with you to deliver your next project on time and on budget.